Ferrari 488 engine out service. A rare behind-the-scenes look at the full teardown for a simple oil seal replacement. What looks like a minor oil leak actually requires a complete engine removal to replace just a few gaskets and seals. The entire rear section of the car is taken apart piece by piece. This video shows the intricate engineering and craftsmanship behind the Ferrari 488. Every component, from the exhaust manifolds to the subframe, must be carefully removed and reinstalled with precision. Ferrari 488 engine.